Good morning. Actually, I recorded the video just earlier, but due to some noise disturbance background, so I had to record this again. So I hope everything is clear now. Now let's start with the project demos. So these are my projects that are in my portfolio right now. Like I'll take you through everything one by one. So the first project that I am so proud of is Bad Templates. Bad Templates is an open source platform that offers two main features. One is the batch files and shell files that makes your folder structures, and the other thing is that templates. Like let's say you want to make a portfolio or e-commerce, you'll get a template there. Like it's something similar to cookie cutter, but not exactly that. Let me just show you water folder structures and all that. Uh, First, let's go to the site. You can go to the site which I actually deployed using a domain name. So it offers two main features. One is the templates and other is the structures. This is a UI, and the structures are nothing but we have this entire structure, right? The folders and the standard structure that we forget, the MVC pattern and all that things. So whenever we want to make structures, we're going to VS Code, create folder, then file and name it, save it, and all those tedious things we have to do, repetitive, right? So in order to eradicate these total things, uh, what I did is I did this feature where the contributor uploads a batch file or shell file that will automatically make a standard slash professional open source uh, folder structure without wasting any time. Like it can make that folder structure in 1 to 2 seconds. Like the folder structure that we see here, right? All the things that we have here. It takes us around 5 to 10 minutes to make this, but with this we can make in 1 to 2 seconds. And coming to the templates, these are templates uh, made for the developers slash pseudo developers who don't know much of code, and like they just know a little bit, and they want to make portfolios, e-commerce or anything. So let me just show you an example of this Azure Black Folio. It is a portfolio site in which they can just come and change these things, the name, role, the social links. All they have to do is change this thing in 5 minutes and their portfolio will be ready. So that's the use of these templates. uh, any users can upload slash submit the template or structure, and the admin will approve slash reject it based on the authenticity of it. And the user can also bookmark the structures and templates. And here, as I said, this is an open source platform. Like, so I want to incentivize the people who come into this site to contribute more and more. So what I did is I uh, publicly show them the number of contributions they did and the ranking they have and all these things. So just so I can motivate them to add more of these things, right? And here that's profile the contributions and templates that he have. You can edit and do all these things. That's a by me of thing. And let me also show you the admin panel. Like not anyone can log in, only the admins and member role guys can do this. So we are like whatever the structures and templates that are submitted by the people uh, will be shown here. There are no structures that have been submitted that are pending right now, but there are some templates, some demo templates that I have submitted. So here we can just review the code, and after review we can either approve or reject, or we can even flag the thing if we found anything suspicious. And in this users tab, we can see all the users that are currently logged in or logged, and their emails, their particular roles. And here we can perform some actions like promotion and demotion. Like upon clicking this, you can promote a user to a member, and upon clicking this, you can demote a member to user, admin to user as such. And here we'll see the flagger content that we have flagged here. Since there are no flag content, there's no content right now. And the one challenging part is this creating this analytics dashboard. Like it's the first time I have worked with this chart.js and all these things. So it's a bit tricky, but formatting the data and all these things. Yes, all the data that we show for the members as well as admins, and these are the logs that are performed in this site, like by every member, like if a user submitted, has contributed, submitted, or a member slash admin rejected, approved, anything that of high importance will be logged here uh, with the reference to what they did, their timestamps, and their roles, emails, and all that. And again, we have this contributors page here, and we have the settings page where we can uh, change the site details and such. So this is back templates, and I have made this using React.js and Firebase slash Firestore for backend. Use TypeScript also, and AWS for storing those batch and shell files. Tailwind for styling, and Docker for containerization. Justin as a state management. Instead of Redux, I use Justin since it is lightweight and I like it a lot. And both for Google authentication and email authentication and all. Webpack for bundling thing, and GitHub Actions for CI/CD pipeline. Like whenever I push the code will go into the Netlify and I'll do that deployment automatically. So this is about the bad templates project, like which is the best project I have done till so far. Like I thought of making it an open source, but due to budget constraints, I can't do that. Someone hacked into my AWS account and put me a bill of 5K, so I couldn't do it in open source due to I'm budget restricted. So now let's move on to the next project, which is Dwarf. Dwarf is a website that makes another websites. It is inspired from v0.io, bold.new and lovable. Like it is not some new unique kind of innovation thing. I just wanted to do a website that makes other websites. Like I want to clone the bold.new, all these things. Like the tech stack I use is Next.js, ConvexDB. We can also use any other div like MongoDB, Postgres, or anything. Use TypeScript and the sandpack for the preview that we see, right? The bold.new we see the preview of the website and the code all that running in there. That's the sandpack. Tailwind for styling, Docker for containerization scene, and I use the Gemini API for generating the code for uh, generating that website that the user gave, and StatCN for some basic styling. So that's about the dwarf. And as for this, I have deployed it in Railway, but my trial has expired, so I really can't show you the live of it. But you can just uh, come in here and click on this YouTube video, and you will redirect to the video that I have recorded earlier and posted in my channel. So if you want to go through all this how this works, you can just watch this 5-minute video. We'll have this uh, layout where we can chat with the bot and we will generate the website neat and clean. So that's it for the dwarf. And the next is Dwarf CLI. Dwarf CLI is something similar to Dwarf. The use case is similar, but CLI is a Dwarf CLI is an NPM package that lets you make not only websites, not only apps, but also packages and anything that you name that can be done in VS Code. So basically, it's an npm package that made using the command JS, chalk.js. Chalk.js is something that we use to color the text in our console, right? And Node.js and GitHub Actions to automatically push the changes to npm and redeploy it on npm, like basically a pipeline. So these are the two projects. And the next one is S3 login. It's just a conventional file manager thing, in which I used AWS S3 to store all the files that we upload, like whether it will be PDF, images, videos, whatever. This is the code of it, and we have the YouTube video here. Let me just show it to you. This is the UI of it. We drop the files and upload it, and we'll get it here. Similar. We can also do CRUD operations on this. Just a conventional file manager thing. Like I use React.js, Tailwind, Node.js, MongoDB, Express.js, JWT, AWS S3, and etc. etc. Mm, like actually made this as a personal project instead of some publicly available thing. I wanted to make this bad templates publicly available. So I also took a domain and deployed it. But due to budget constraints, I can't publicly do it because overusage may cost me, right? Like, and one other app slash website that I made is EgoBus. EgoBus is not just any personal website or app. Like me and my other two friends wanted to do it as a tech startup. So what this EgoBus does is it's a native application. It tracks the school bus when it starts from the school and notifies them when the school bus is near their checkpoint or pickup point or whatever it is. So basically, EgoBus is divided into three things. One is the app that you see right here, and the other is management side for the management to handle all the data and all these things, and the other is the personal website. Uh, this is the EgoBus app, which we have built using React Native, Tailwind, Firebase as Firestore, and Lottie for animation, XLSS for uploading data, Firestore and real-time database, Expo Google Maps for showing the maps and the route of the bus and all that, and also used cron jobs in there for performing some schedule things. And management side, let me just show you this. The wonderful part of this website is this animation, really, it really amazes me. So management site is a thing that used by management to upload the data of the students buses and all that, manage it there. This also have a YouTube video linked. You can just go through this 1 minute or 2 minute video to get a gist of this entire website. And it also has an admin panel. Like even the EgoBus app has a YouTube video linked to it. So I have recorded previously and uploaded on my channel. Like, I'm not doing the entire thing because the video length is exceeding what it should be. So if you really want, you can just go through all these things in my portfolio and check them in YouTube. And the other thing is notes for you. Like it's a website that like it's basically a marketplace that lets you sell your notes, that the notes that you make right in the classroom, like in the first year, second year of BTech or whatever. Uh, you just upload the PDF and sell it for 2 rupees. Anyone who want to download, they have to pay 2 rupees. You will get those 2 rupees. Like I made this using React.js, Tailwind, Node.js, MongoDB, Express.js, and Razorpay as a payment gateway, and Mulder for file uploads. Uh, we have also the demo video for it. This is how it looks. This is the payment process, and this is the home profile, and like we can also withdraw our money here. And last but not least, TKR set Telegram attendance bot. Like it is, although it is not a one-stack application slash full-stack application, uh, it is a product that I am very proud of because the use case is whenever we want to check our attendance in our college, we used to go to the website, log in, and then go to the attendance portal, and then check for the attendance there by scrolling and all doing all that. So what I made is I made a telegram bot that lets you look up your attendance in just one click. So like within 1 week I had around 100 users, and it reached as high as 200 to 300 users. But after 2 weeks or so, the college has shut down the attendance field entirely in their website. So our bot is not working right now. So I made this using Beautiful Soup 4 and for scrapping thing, and Python Telegram bot library, and tablet XML for all those calculation and tabular part. I do have, let me just show you that. Uh, this is how personal website of EgoBus looks like apart from the app and management website. Yeah, this is the TKR set Telegram attendance spot. This is how it looks. You enter your roll number, and from the next day, you just type slash it, and you have your attendance right in front of you in seconds. No logins, nothing. And you can also look at the history of these things. I used pandas to do this, and here are the first week analysis of it. Like 1 or 4 users or so in just 1 week. This is the notes for you. Like, and these are all the projects that I made on a holistic view. This just game thing is something that I copied from YouTube. Like, doesn't matter much. So I guess that's it. These are my projects. I have included all the links, the GitHub code, the YouTube link, and the live link if there is. So if you really want to go through all this, you can check. I'm not doing this because the video length is already exceeded. So I'm gonna stop it right here. So that's about my project. Thank you. I hope you like the projects. Yeah, that's it. Bye.